Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on your Nintendo Switch and open System Settings. Scroll down and select Internet, then go to Internet Settings. Choose the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to and select Change Settings. Now scroll down to DNS Settings and switch it from automatic to manual. In the primary DNS section, enter 045 055 142 122. After typing it in, press OK, then select Save. Your Switch will reconnect to the network, and it may show no internet connection. Don't worry, that's expected. Next, select Next, and when prompted, choose. Continue to Google. You'll now be taken to a web browser window. In the search bar, type Redeem Fortnite V-Bucks and give it a go. Now open the first result and wait for it to load. When the page loads, sign into your Epic Games account. Once you're signed in, enter your V-Bucks code and confirm to redeem. So that's basically how you can redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code on Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.